Welcome back to Country Boy Cooks. Now, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but you're gonna have to stay with me with this one. Today what we're gonna make is a homemade pound cake, but we're gonna make it in your great grandmama's dishpan. It's gonna be epic. So stay with me, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, some ingredients we're gonna do. First of all, I got a little bit of sugar in there already, but 5 cups of granulated sugar. Get that in there. And you're gonna take 1 pound of melted salted butter. Melt it in the microwave, 1 pound. Pour that in there. And I'm gonna tell you what, 1 pound of butter in anything is gonna be great, right? Guys, if you like the content that I put out, how about hit that subscribe button and follow the Country Boy Cooks. Next ingredient is gonna be 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon. That's what I had left in that. Now what we're going to do is just mix it up a little bit. We'll be right back with you as soon as we're done. Next what we're going to do, guys, 1 dozen, that's 12 large eggs. My recipe calls for brown eggs, but you can use white as well. But I use 12 large brown eggs at room temperature. You can add them one at a time or just a couple of times if you want to get those mixed up. This recipe right here is passed down from generations. It's one of the best pound cakes that I've ever made. It's one of the best pound cakes that I've ever tasted. Alright guys, as soon as we get this whipped up, we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, the next item that goes in here is we're going to have to measure out a 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. Get that 1/2 cup in there. Let's go ahead and mix that up a little bit. All right, next on the list is going to be 6 cups of self-rising flour, sifted. Got to have it sifted. I'm making a mess in this kitchen, and my wife is going to be after me to get it sifted. As soon as we get all 6 cups sifted, we're going to be right back with you. We got our 6 cups of flour sifted, and that's a lot, but that's what it's going to take to make this pound cake. So get that added in there. Add a little bit at a time. I'm thickening it up pretty good. As we got all of our batter mixed up, and that's what she's going to look like. Just like your typical cake batter. So we're going to take our Dishpan. You can get these at like old general stores. They do still sell these. They're probably not quite as good as what they was 100 years ago, but they're enamel coated. And they're pretty much indestructible. So it's a metal pan that's enamel coated. And they used to do them, they used to put them in the sink and fill them full of soapy water, and that's what they used to wash the dishes with, and that's why they call them dish pans. But this recipe is to make a pound cake, an old-timey pound cake in a dish pan, so that's what we do. Take a cooking spray. You can use Crisco. You can use butter, but I use just regular cooking spray. Just give it a generous amount. Make sure you get the sides and the bottom. That way it won't stick. And what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna incorporate, we're just gonna put our batter down in the dish pan. I'm gonna tell you this right here, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is gonna be epic. Because I've made these before and carried them to family reunions, Christmas dinners for your family, and there's none left. There's none left. It makes a huge pound cake. We're back. We got everything mixed up. We got our cake batter in our greased dish pan. Right now we got our oven preheating on 300 degrees. We're gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna bake it for 1 hour and 30 minutes, hour and a half, until it's golden brown. It's gonna have that golden brown, thick, crunchy crust that, like your grandmama's pound cake used to be, and that's what it's gonna be like. But it's gonna be in this dish pan and it's gonna be huge. So this thing feeds a lot of people, and like I told you, it's gonna be epic. And while we're waiting on the oven to preheat, if y'all got a minute to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm a small channel just starting out. I decided to make a YouTube channel and share my country cooking recipes with you guys. Figured it might help somebody, and my family enjoys them, and everybody that eats with me enjoys them, so I figured you guys might enjoy them as well. So hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and by all means, comment. Tell me your favorite pound cake recipe. Guys, welcome back. We just took our pound cake out the oven, let it cool for a few minutes, and I'm gonna tell you what, it looks divine. As I was telling you, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cook us a pound cake in Grandmama's dish pan, and next we're gonna cut it and see what it looks like on the inside and what it tastes like. All right, let's go ahead and cut into this thing right quick. Like I said, this pound cake is huge. And it'll feed a lot of people. Look at that, guys. That looks delicious. A glass of milk is calling my name. And don't nobody need no fork either. That just tastes like butter. Just like butter. It is delicious. Guys, we appreciate you watching the video, and like I said before, hit that subscribe button for me. Like the video, and send me a comment on your favorite pound cake recipe. Until we see you again, y'all have a blessed day.